Hello, and welcome to the Lifestyle Business Quest course and content creator. It's an absolute honor to have you with us. Now, what we've done is taken the most recent advancements in technology and AI to support you in designing and developing a world-class coaching program. Now, this program is going to allow your clients to get results better, faster, and easier than they've ever done before, while allowing you to leverage your time while serving them. So let me walk through the process. It's very, very simple, and I think you're actually going to be very impressed with what we've put together here. Beginning with our campaign planner. Now, what the campaign planner does is it maps out your entire campaign strategy, goals, messaging that will attract the perfect customer and client to your products and your services. Then we move on to the product roadmap. This is a unique mechanism that's going to give your audience absolute clarity and confidence in your offer and the results that you provide. And then finally, what we do is move on to your design studio, where we're going to create key visuals that's going to 10x your product's confidence in your brand and your products by showing them a clear path and vision to success. Really, really powerful stuff. So this is how it begins. What we've done is simply created a mock-up site called My Coaching Course. We begin with AI. So we simply go over here and we click on Generate. This is going to go ahead and bring up our first screen, and it's going to ask us, describe your idea. And so, for instance, tell us who you want to help and what results can you help them to achieve within your program. Here's a quick sample. A course that helps men over 50 to lose weight and to take control of their long-term health. If you want to see a few more examples, you click on the examples here. I want to launch a course that helps small business owners to become an authority on LinkedIn so they can generate leads from LinkedIn to grow their business. Here's another one, a course that helps life coaches with organic marketing so they can get more customers. So as you can see, there's so many different ways that you can do this, depending on your niche, depending on your clients, and how you want to help and how you want to serve them. So let's go ahead and go with this one here. I like this. A coaching program that helps men over 50 to get into shape and to take control over their long-term health. What we simply do is click on AI. And what this is going to do is going to begin the process of designing and developing your program. And here we go. So what we want to do is to confirm the first step. So you can see we've got product type. If you want to change that, simply go over here to the pull down menu, and we've got options. We've got course, we've got coaching, consulting, all the way through. So let's go ahead and call this coaching. Then we've got your ideal target market. So we've got overweight men, but this could be retirees. This could be health conscious men, busy professionals. So let's go with health conscious men, and then simply update it. When you get it more appropriate, simply click on save and next. And here we go. So what we've done is created your program 9-step outline. So you can see, number 1, access your current health, determine your fitness level. Number 2, design a custom workout plan. So all the way through, 9 specific steps. If you want to go through here and regenerate it, if you want to rewrite it for beginners, if you want to get more advanced, again, now we can really begin to get clear on your specific market and begin to drill down. But let's say we want to go with this. We like what we see. Go ahead and click on save and next. And now we've created your program's 9-step roadmap names. So first of all, we've got Health Analyzer, we've got your Workout Architect, Nutrition Navigator, Activity Integrator. So really cool, really creative. And again, what we can do is we can regenerate it, we can make it more advanced, make it for beginners, make it more catchy, masculine, feminine, funny. So again, drilling down on the more specific messaging and languaging that your clients are going to connect with. Then we hit save and next. And here we go. The magic of AI, the magic of our process and our system is going to map out your entire campaign planner. So you can see this working in action here. Your campaign goals, we've got your target avatar, we've got your ideal client, your currency calculator, core currency, core problems, $1 million message, all of the things that we absolutely need to create a world-class program mapped out for you and written for you automatically. So then our next step is to go through each of these individually to really dial them in, to customize it and make sure they're exactly the way that you want. So let's begin with campaign goals. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Again, we've got type of product, coaching, we've got the price point, anywhere between $3,000 and $9,000, time deliveries, so on and so forth. So if we want to change any of these, we can simply do that just by going in here and customizing and then clicking next. Same thing with our target avatars. We've got health conscious men, busy professionals, so on and so forth. If we want to change anything, we go ahead and do it, customize it, get it exactly the way we want, and then click on save and next. Ideal client, what they want in terms of who you're able to accept to be able to work with them. They're serious about results. They're willing to work with a coach. Again, getting it the way that you want it. Click save and next. And the people that you don't want to work with. So these are people that you can't help, or you want to reject somebody, unwilling to commit to the program, resistant to seeking guidance and support, so on and so forth. Hit save and next. And again, the process just continues step by step. And then once we complete your campaign planner, we move on to the product roadmap. And so what the product roadmap does is, again, it really dials in exactly what you do for your clients, and it gives them clarity and confidence on the offer as well as the results that you're going to provide them. So foundation, we've got health analyzer, right? And so I go ahead and click on that, and it's going to break down step by step the roadmap health analyzer. It's got your outline, it's got your core competencies, your general topics, step by step through the entire process. Now, once we have your product roadmap customized exactly the way that you want it, we move on to our next step, which is our design studio. This is so powerful. What it's going to do is it's going to take all the information that we've created and we've customized, and it's going to give us a visual representation of your business. So as you can see here, we've got the roadmap, we've got cheat sheets, we've got all the different aspects of your business. So now you can create this and you can share this with clients. We've got all kinds of themes to choose from. So depending on the color patterns that you like, the design layouts, again, we've got all kinds of things here that we can customize to get it exactly the way that you want it, and really to be able to dial it into your overall brand. And then finally, our last step in the process is to create your marketing assets, because it's one thing to have your program to be able to help and to serve your clients. It's another thing to be able to have the marketing assets, the content, to be able to share your program as effectively as we can. As you know, it's a competitive marketplace. There's a lot of people doing what we do. So by not only having a world-class coaching program that we're going to create through our designer here, we're also going to create the content and the marketing assets that are direct relationship to your overall program, what we call the message to market connection. So to do so, you simply go down to the very bottom and you click on assets. What this is going to do is pull up a series of different types of assets that we can create. We've got sales letters, we've got emails, video scripts, webinars, lead magnets, all kinds of things to be able to support you in sharing your business with others. We've got your slide decks, we've got your Ninja nurture sequence. So this will create 27 follow-up email messages that you can put in your automated system to be able to follow up, to be able to connect powerfully. And again, all of this, all of these marketing assets, all these contents are in direct relationship based on the information that we shared within your campaign planner and within your product roadmap. So it is so tight and it is so dialed, and it's going to get you the clients that you truly love. You're going to be able to charge higher price points for your program, knowing and having confidence that your program by design will get your clients to where they want to go and be able to deliver the results that they seek. This is high ticket. This is going to allow you to create a premium offer, a world-class offer like nobody else. So what we want to do is to simply go through the process here. It's very, very simple. Again, it'll take you about maybe 15 minutes to design and develop your entire course. And once you do, what I want you to do then is to book an appointment with me so that we can review it, we can talk about it, we can talk about the game plan in terms of taking all this information, getting it into our software, talking about creating workflows, how to be able to design and develop training videos, all the different things and the assets that we're going to need from here. So you're going to love the process, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.